Let us see question number 4 from exercise 8.1 of the chapter Trigonometry. Here topic is trigonometric ratios. Question is given 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sine A and cos A. Very interesting question. Okay. So let us see the solution here. What is given? Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, or we can write cot A is equal to, transposing this 15 to right hand side, 8 by 15, correct? And we know that cot of any angle is base by perpendicular. So by comparing these two ratios, we are getting here, therefore base by perpendicular is equal to 8 by 15. This can also be written as 8k upon 15k, correct? So therefore we can consider B is equal to 8k and P is equal to 15k. You know, B is base, which is 8k, and P is perpendicular, which is 15k. For finding the values of sine A and sec A, for sine A and sec A, we will require hypotenuse also, correct. So let us find hypotenuse H by Pythagoras theorem. This is equal to B square plus P square, and B square means 8k whole square and P square means 15k whole square. This is equal to 64k square plus 225k square. So we are getting here H is equal to square root of how much? 289 k square, taking square root, H is equal to 17k, correct? Now let us find sine A. You know, sine A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 15k and hypotenuse is 17k. K will be cancelled out. So we are getting sine A is equal to 15 by 17. This is the answer value of sine A. Now let us find sec A. Sec A is equal to, you know, this is H by B. H is how much? 17k, and B is 8k. K will be cancelled out. So therefore sec of A is equal to 17 by 8. This is the answer, correct? Very interesting, very simple. Okay, we have to see some more important question in other videos to come. Please share these videos with your friends also. If you are enjoying learning trigonometry here, then your likes are most welcome. All the best.